A whole city, inside your pocket? Let's turn tiny paper lines into massive real-world highways using the superpower of map scales. Map scales work on direct proportionality. If a distance doubles on paper, it doubles in the real world. No tricks, just pure balance. First, your metric cheat codes. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Got it? Let's go. Our scale is 1 to 50,000. That means 1 centimeter on paper equals 50,000 centimeters on the physical Earth. Let's simplify that. 50,000 centimeters drops 2 zeros to become 500 meters, which is exactly 0.5 kilometers. Question A. A road is 3 centimeters on the map. How long is it in real life? Let's crunch it. Easy. 3 centimeters times 0.5 kilometers gives us a real-world length of exactly 1.5 kilometers. Done. Question B. Reverse it. A real lake is 10 kilometers long. How big is it on our paper map? If 0.5 kilometers is 1 centimeter, then 1 kilometer is 2 centimeters. 10 times 2 equals 20 centimeters on your map. Level up. Welcome to Area Scale Factors. When shapes go flat into 2 dimensions, the scale rules change completely. Because area is length times width, the scale factor must be applied twice. That means we square the scale. Take a new map at a scale of 1 to 10,000. That means 1 centimeter equals 100 meters in real life. 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters gives our map rectangle an area of exactly 6 square centimeters. Let's step inside. In the real world, the sides scale up. The 3 centimeter side becomes 300 meters. The 2 centimeter side becomes 200 meters. Multiply the real sides. 300 meters times 200 meters gives us a massive real area of 60,000 square meters. Notice the shortcut? Take your original map area of 6, multiply it by 100, then multiply by 100 again. Scale factor squared. Want to unlock more math superpowers and Acer exams? Subscribe to My Brainy Cafe, drop a comment below, and let's keep making big ideas simple.